Well, in the U.S. today is the busiest travel day of the year as millions of Americans head home from Thanksgiving celebrations. With so many ignoring the warning not to travel, health officials are bracing themselves for another deadly surge. Jennifer Johnson has more on the crisis ahead.
As millions of Americans return home through airports and on the roads after the Thanksgiving holiday, the busiest travel day of the year, healthcare experts warn there will be consequences.
Clearly in the next few weeks, perhaps even 2 or 3 weeks down the line, we may see a surge upon a surge. We don't want to frighten people, but that's just the reality.
An estimated 7 million people traveled through U.S. airports from November 22nd to the 25th ahead of the holiday. Now they are heading back home with this advice.
If you're young and you gathered, you need to be tested about 5 to 10 days later, but you need to assume that you're infected.
Healthcare officials fear what's coming. One doctor offering this warning.
I hope that the last moments of your life don't look like this, because this is what you'll see at the end of your life if we don't start wearing masks.
Los Angeles County officials are not backing down as their controversial 3-week ban on public and private gatherings takes effect Monday.
Dead people don't get a second chance.
Doctors are frustrated so many Americans are ignoring safety guidelines, like this massive illegal party busted in New York City, as the release of a vaccine gets closer. On Saturday, the first doses of a vaccine were flown from Brussels to Chicago, awaiting federal approval. For those on the front lines, it can't come soon enough.
It's been really tough for us. Resources have been stretched thin. The staff has been stretched thin.
The White House Coronavirus Task Force is hoping to meet with President-elect Joe Biden's administration Monday, while federal health officials vote Tuesday on who will get the vaccine first. But it will be up to each state to make the final decision. The overwhelming recommendation is for healthcare workers to get the vaccine first, as many hospitals are overwhelmed with COVID-19 patients. Jennifer Johnson, Global News, Washington.